In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process to authenticate to GitHub from command line using SSH. Let's get started. The first step is to check if the SSH keys exist on your machine. Looks like the keys exist on my machine. I will go ahead and generate new keys and overwrite my existing keys. Make sure the email that you're using here is registered with GitHub and it's asking me to provide a file name to store the keys. I will leave it default. Since I left it default, it's asking me if I want to overwrite my keys. I'll say yes, and I'll leave the passphrase default. And now the keys have been generated. Now let's go ahead and make sure that our SSH agent is running. Now we'll add our SSH private key to the SSH agent. And my private key has been added to the SSH agent. Now I will go ahead and copy the public key from my machine and I will add it to my profile settings on GitHub. So let's go ahead and copy the public key. And I'll copy this key from here and go ahead to GitHub. Okay. And go to my profile, settings, SSH and GPG keys. I'm going to delete the key I already have here and add a new key. Paste the value here. Add the SSH key. So let's make sure that the keys are configured correctly. I'm going to clone one of my demo repos from here on my machine. Let's copy the SSH URL, go back to git bash and run the git clone command. And my repo has been cloned successfully. Let's also make sure we're able to write back to GitHub. I'll go to my repo, open this file here, and make some changes. Save, close, and let's track the change. Let's go to the repo first. Okay, good. I'm going to track this change now, and I'm going to commit this change, file updated, and push this change. Looks like the push happened successfully, so let's go back to GitHub and see if our changes have been made, and they are. With that, go ahead and give it a try yourself.